Joe Andrews for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a summer drink. This is a part of refreshing drinks around the world, a new series I started. So this is a Spanish drink, Tinto de Verano. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Let's make this refreshing drink from Spain. Together we need red wine, 50% of the glass, next we need 7-Up or Sprite, something lemony, and again 50%. Add a slice of lemon or orange for citrusy, and ice cubes 3 to 4. And stir it with a bar spoon. That's it. This Spanish summer wine, it's ready. A beautiful summer drink, it's ready. The lemony flavor and the wine, so good. So when you got time, please try this recipe and please share the video to friends and family and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. See you with a new summer drink. What is the title? Refreshing Drinks Around the World series. Have you ever tried? What about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.